Hello everyone, welcome. Here is today's prompt. So we are going to write down the things that we feel negatively about money. I feel like we just need to get them out of the way, and then we're going to do a doodle thing. This is my first time recording paper like this. I think it's working. Okay, so negative thoughts about money could be there's not enough. Like words that come to mind is like drought, broke, money leaves, it's hard to get. So these are some ideas that could be playing in the back of our mind. How about money is evil? So there's more. What did I put there? Yeah, so there's more. If you have them in your mind, just get them out, just like ploop them onto the paper. And yeah, so these are in our mind. We're not ignoring it. Even if you are a millionaire, you probably still have these ideas sometimes. Millionaires still have these ideas sometimes, multimillionaires. It doesn't matter how much you make or how much you have. These are ideas that circulate, and we work through them at one level, and then we get to work through it at another level. Okay, so those are some sort of negative things related to money that might go through our mind. And now we're going to do, I don't know what you call this, a swirly thing. So I'm using a blue pen marker because it makes me think of water. And water is related to flow, and flow is related to money. Money and flow is also related to energy, energetics, frequency. So I've chosen blue, and I'm just gonna put my marker down, and I'm just gonna swirl around, do some loop-de-doos, some circles, fill in the corners, maybe bigger loop-de-doos. I feel like going over here, so I am. Just have fun, and yeah, that's all. Not filling the whole thing in, we're leaving space. I'm just going to use the blue pen that I have here. And now I'm going to write other words about money that come to mind. And so, like, it doesn't have to, we're not going for perfection here or whatever, just whatever comes to your mind. So what's coming to my mind is money, coins, gold, and see how I'm just writing it in different available spaces. We're not overthinking it. Pesos, abundance, rain. I've been watching someone who talks about water as giving information and connected to source and plasma and the water that's in us. So I've been thinking about water a lot recently. Bills is another thing. I think of money. Okay, frequency. I can't bend my arm that direction. I'm gonna go over here. Frequency. How about exchange? Because we exchange money. Worth. How much is something worth? The value. Did I write down the word water? Water? Yeah, so what comes to your mind? Energy. Catalyst. Yeah, dollars. So these are the random words that come to my mind. It's just sort of an exercise to be thinking about money, to be more comfortable with money. Maybe I'll even write inside the circle, I like money. Money is neutral. It is a value exchange. It's neither good nor bad. How about I love money? It feels weird to say that I love money, but it's not exactly the money itself that I'm loving. I'm appreciating what money can do and the frequency and the energy of it. I'm appreciating it, and I'm letting it know that I welcome it, that it's okay to spend time with me, that I'm not going to be mean or rude to it. I'm not going to block it out. Like, what if you said you want your friend to come over to your house, but then every time they came over, you put like wood over the door so they couldn't come in the front entrance, or you like blocked the driveway, and they're like, you keep telling me to come over, but I can't get into the driveway, and I can't open your door. And then I came over and like the door was locked, so I couldn't get in, and I like called you, but you wouldn't answer the phone. So it's like, are we friends? Do you like me? What's going on? So yeah. Are we doing that with money? What's the sign for Bitcoin? Thai bot. I think that was the sign for bot. But yeah, so we can think about, we can think about money as being a friend, a resource, something that works for us. So these are just some ideas. Feel free to doodle and write more. I'm just making dollar signs now because honestly, most of my life it's been so awkward to talk about money, and like I've just felt tension in my body when I have to tell somebody how much something is, or when I hear how much something is and I know I don't have that amount. I've experienced that, and I've also experienced feeling like, oh, wow, that's an interesting number, and I just know that's going to work out somehow. So yeah, kind of the ease of flow, just knowing that it doesn't make sense to me now, but I know that it will work out. I don't know why I wanted to connect those there. So just have a doodle, write some words down, get out like the ugly, negative words. Ask yourself if any of these relate to how you feel about family, relationships, parents. That's an interesting thought process to have. It's hard to get. It leaves. There's not enough time with it. These are feelings that we're having about a resource, a tool. But we are in a relationship with money, whether we like it or not, whether we have a lot of it or don't have a lot of it, whatever we're doing with it, we're in a relationship with it, and we're creating our life, and we're using it to do different things. Okay, I think that's enough for today. So let me know what you think about that. That is our bit of doodling and writing exercise for today. Blessings!